Tornado warning!
Urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Medina, and Wayne. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for northern Ashland County, southern Medina County, northern Wayne County until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Polk, or 5 miles north of Ashland, and moving east at 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Worcester, Rittman, West Salem, Lodi,
This is a nuts series of storms.
Doylestown, Spencer, Congress, Burbank, Westfield Center, Briarwood Beach, Chippewa on the Lake, Gloria Gwen's Park, Seville, Smithville, and Marshallville.